Let me be brutally honest with you. If copying trading strategies actually worked long-term, most traders would already be rich. But they're not. And that's not because the market is evil. It's because copying creates an illusion of safety that slowly destroys your decision-making. Before we go any further, hit subscribe. Not because I'm about to hype you up, but because this channel is about understanding the market, not gambling on it. Important disclaimer. This content is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial or legal advice. Now listen carefully. Copy trading feels smart. You think, someone else already did the work, why shouldn't I benefit? But the moment you copy a strategy without fully understanding it, you've already accepted a risk you don't see yet. Because strategies don't fail first. People fail first. Here's the first problem. When you copy a strategy, you copy the entries. But you don't copy the confidence. You don't know why the trader entered. You don't know what invalidates the setup. You don't know when not to take the trade. So what happens? The market moves against you a little. And you hesitate? The original trader holds. You panic. Same strategy, completely different execution. Second problem, timing. Most strategies online work only in specific market conditions. Trending markets, high volatility, certain sessions. But when you copy, you apply it everywhere. Because nobody tells you when it stops working. And the market is ruthless with people who don't adapt. Then comes position sizing. The trader you copy risks 1%. You risk 5% because you feel confident today. One bad trade becomes emotional damage. Two bad trades become revenge trading. And now the strategy is suddenly trash. But here's the truth nobody wants to hear. The strategy didn't fail. You were never meant to use it blindly. And this is where psychology takes over. Because once you start copying, you stop thinking. You stop analyzing. You stop learning. Your brain goes into spectator mode. You're no longer a trader. You're an observer with money on the line. And that's dangerous. Halfway through this video, ask yourself something honestly. Are you trading? Or are you hoping someone else is right? Because hope is not a strategy. If this is already hitting a little too close to home, stay with me. The most important part is coming. Here's where things get even more interesting. Most traders think their biggest enemy is losing trades. It's not. Their biggest enemy is not knowing what to do next. When you copy a strategy and it enters drawdown, you're lost. No context, no confidence, no plan. You start tweaking things. You move stops. You exit early. You re-enter late. The original trader follows the rules. You break them emotionally. And this is why copy trading creates inconsistent results, even with profitable systems. Another massive issue is sample size. Many strategies need dozens or hundreds of trades to show an edge. But most people quit after 5 losses. Statistically, that's meaningless. Psychologically, it feels catastrophic. And because you didn't build the system, you don't trust it enough to survive the drawdown. That's why copied strategies rarely survive real money trading. Let's talk about dependency. The moment you rely on someone else's signals, you give up control. Every loss becomes someone else's fault. Every win feels temporary. You never develop confidence, only relief. And relief is not a sustainable emotion in trading. Real traders don't look for certainty. They look for repeatable processes. They accept losses as part of the system. They track data. They adjust slowly. Copy traders chase reassurance. And the market doesn't reward reassurance. It rewards discipline. Now let me be clear. Studying other traders is smart. Learning from proven systems is smart. But copying without understanding is financial self-sabotage. A strategy is not just entry stop what target its context, its probability. It's risk control. If you can't explain why a trade works, you shouldn't be in it. The goal isn't to find the perfect strategy. That doesn't exist. The goal is to build a framework you can execute under pressure. Simple rules, controlled risk, consistent execution. Boring, but profitable. And that's the difference between traders who last and traders who disappear. If this video saved you from making the same mistakes again, subscribe. Drop a comment if you've ever copied a strategy and learned the hard way. No hype, no shortcuts, just reality. See you in the next one.